Alam mo, mayayari ako sa mga tanong na ganyan eh. My whole family, a lot of my family is actually from Lasal. So yeah, last night was not a pleasant dinner. But, ano ba yung question on it? Which is a better school? They're both very good schools.
Welcome, Jai in the house.
Hi.
Jai, yes. You're asking what happened
I knew.
That's
$1,000,000
question.
Ask them. I don't know.
Actually, kagabi ko pa inisip yun eh. Kaya hindi ko pala nalaman. But I guess medyo overconfident kami kahapon. So obvious I watched the replay last night. Well, as they say, mas okay nang nangyari ngayon kaysa the later stages of the UAAP. It's a good wake-up call for us kasi wala lumaki na yung ulo namin, tingin namin. Sobrang lakas ng atin eh. So there, we're gonna bounce back on Thursday and Saturday.
Okay, to Jai from Prani. Hey Jai, how do you balance showbiz, school, basketball, and family life?
Time management, that's the most important thing. Siguro, yun ang pinaka-importanting lessons na natutunan ko in Ateneo since I was young. Because I've been playing varsity basketball since I was in the 3rd grade. So, each and every year I was in a varsity team already. So if you learn how to manage your time and set your priorities straight, kahit ano, pagsabay-sabayin mo kaya.
Or Jessica from Shadow Bell. You said you like alternative music. Any specific artist that you like?
Meron eh. I listen to more of the songs than the artists, so it really depends on the song.
From 201 or Jai, who's your basketball idol?
Well, locally, si Olsen Rosella. He came from Ateneo also and maliit rin siya and then so he's a very cerebral player. Napakatalino niya maglaro and I think that's a similarity between us. We use our brains more than our athletic abilities because we're not that gifted athletically.
To Jessica from JP Manahan. Hi Jessica, the word thinks you are the top of the class of this batch of Foresight supporters.
Thanks, but I guess it's still early in the season. A lot of room for improvement and a lot of room for mistakes. So, you know, let's not like judge it so soon. But thank you.
To Jai from Bernard. Hi Jai, is Chat Reyes your father or Dito?
No, actually, kapatid siya ng dad ko. So, tito ko siya. Maraming may akala na dad ko siya. Pero hindi. He's my uncle.
From Raymond Fernandez to Jai Reyes. If you're given a chance to play in the PBA, what team would you play for? Which team?
Well, syempre talk and text since MVP is our main supporter right now in Ateneo. And of course, my Uncle Chot is coaching there. So, I'd like to play for talk and text if ever. But still far away. I know this is my last year, pero Ateneo muna yung isip ko ngayon. Baka matalo na naman katulad ka.
Okay, from Wallace to Jessica. Did you ever consider studying at the other school? Green one.
Yes, I did. No, because I took all the tests, and it was the first result that came back fast. So after I got, I was like, yes, I was in school. So, but when I got Ateneo, because when I got Ateneo, it's definitely Ateneo.
Why?
Because it's the better school.
Okay, Dujay. Paid ko din si Olsen Rosella, says Raymond Fernandez. Pagpuni ka ba ng San Miguel, 5 ka ba?
Siyempre, okay lang San Miguel yun. Sila yung team na pinakamaraming championship sa PBA, di ba? So, it's gonna be a privilege for me. But, like what I said, matagal pa yung PBA, tsaka ako naisipin na.
From Jeets, anyone can, or maybe this question's for Jai. Is Wami Chongson good?
Yeah, well, ang galing na player si Wami. He was the key to the Juniors Championship last year along with the other players. But right now, he's in a learning experience pa lang kasi rookie pa lang siya. Like all the rookies, kagaya ko when I stepped in 2005. So hopefully next year you'll see more of Wami in the court.
from Blue01. Without mentioning any of the name players, who do you think should be the MVP this season? Sino mag-MVP outside natin eh?
Well,
Sino sa tingin? From
Kasi dala na
Philippines.
bago eh. Or
Anything in mind?
maybe about
From Eagle, from Eagle. Hello to Jai. Nice to see you in high spirits after yesterday's loss.
talaga.
Yeah. Tapos, in your 5 years of playing, which one is your favorite game and your least favorite game?
My favorite game, of course, Ateneo Lasal games, pinaka-favorite ko talaga. My least favorite game would have to be last night's game. And my 5 years is the first time I lost to UP in the seniors division. So, and grabe, we were at the top of the standings, UP was at the bottom, and grabe, that's what overconfidence does to teams and players.
Okay, from Paolo at Jai. What was your section in Ateneo High School?
Nung first year ako, I was C, and then nag-reshuffle from second year to fourth year, section H.
From Cher at Jai and Raves, so Jai, can you answer this? Who do you think is threat to your back-to-back championship team this season?
Well, aside from FEU, I think they're the strongest team talent-wise and man for man. Siguro UP. Kasi talo kami kagabi. So all the teams, katulad nangyari last night, we have to prepare for them. So any team can be a threat to the back-to-back.
Okay, ito may kanina pa rin tatanong. From May, hi Jai, tanong ko lang kung may girlfriend na si Kurt Long at Nico Salva. Yes. You can answer or you can have.
Tanungin niyo lang sila. Kasi hindi naman ako nakikita sa personal life. Di ba?
Okay, who is the hardest team and player you've ever played against and why?
Siguro nung rookie year ko yung Lasal team with sila Joseph Yu. They really beat us up Kapati in 3 games ata. Hindi kami nanalo for 1-0 season against Lasal. So that will be the toughest for me.
How do you think you're gonna play against Lasal? Right?
Well, of course, like every year, I'm very, very excited to play Lasal kasi sa rivalry talaga ng dalawang schools. But before thinking about myself, I have to think about the team first. So maganda na rin ng team. Para sa akin, maganda na rin nilaro ko dahil point guard nga ako.
Ate Jessica, are you looking forward to be a fortune reporter of the PBA?
Layo pa naman. Natapos ko yung first season ko ever. It would be a good opportunity, of course, and I'd welcome it. But I'm really not thinking about it yet.
Okay, Jai, di ba you're a Star Magic artist? May project ka ba gagawin sa ABS?
I used to host Wildcard, but it got cancelled already. I don't know, let's see after the season. Like what I said right now, I'm really focusing on the UAAP first. So, kung swerte magkaroon ng projects, bakit hindi? Tingnan natin, pag-aralan natin. So ngayon, medyo pasulput-sulput lang muna ako sa ASAP. Yun na lang.
From Bernard, hi Jessica, you're so pretty and ang humble mo. Keep it up.
I will try. Thank you. Sabi ko sa mga ganyan.
Jai, what did Coach Norman Black said to the team after last night's loss?
Ayan.
Yan.
Well, yun nga yung overconfidence talaga was the first thing na sinabi ni Coach Norman. And marami siya sinabi and siguro continuation pa later on practice. But that's the main thing, not to disrespect our opponents. Kasi lahat sila, just like us, are trying to compete for the championship. So, to respect each team and just play play as hard as we can.
Will invite them for your...
Well, yeah, please do tune in to Magic 89.9 all day long, sana, but also 3 to 6 p.m. me and Annie 9 for the top 5. And watch the UAP, of course. And yeah, visit www.uapsports.com.
Okay, thank you, Jessica.
Thank you.
Time will remain for us.